So hi Sujit, here's my next piece of recommendation letter advice. Be able to explain to a professor why you're asking them, right? I teach robotics, controls, electrical engineering, and design. So especially when I have students come back who graduated 2 or 3 years ago, and they ask me for a letter, and I have to try to remember them, even though they've given me a statement of purpose, a resume, a transcript, and all that. So why me? Why did you come back to me? A lot of times they will say, because I want to go to grad school in robotics, or I want to go to grad school in software engineering, and the courses I took from you had the most programming, or I'm interested in controls or electrical engineering, or I was a plant engineer, a manufacturing engineer, and I'm looking for a manufacturing job. Okay, that's also very important because in that letter, I have to answer questions such as they were strong at controls, they didn't really know controls, or they struggled in my robotics class. So you have to give me things. Another thing I always get asked is one strength and one weakness. You need to be able to explain to me what is your strength, what is your weakness. Everybody has a weakness, but you have to give me a way to explain your weakness so that it doesn't take you out of running for your opportunity, right? So your weakness could be something like, I really obsess with solving a problem. I sometimes don't know when to walk away, but that can be a good or bad thing. So what are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What technical skills are you really good at? Which ones do you still need to improve upon? How is your written communication? How is your verbal communication? Are you comfortable making presentations? Do you know how to ask questions when you get stuck on a problem? These kind of things. Are you a self-starter? Do you immediately give up and go ask for help, or are you willing to try for a little while? All these are the skills that you need to be thinking about in advance so that when you ask your professor for that letter, you can articulate that. That makes it easy for me. If it's making me difficult, if it's going to be difficult for me to write your letter, I'm more likely to say no, or if I do it, not give you a very strong recommendation. I hope this helps, and stay STEMtastic.